Chicago, Illinois, middle of winter. Well, I guess winter just sort of started, but for the way that it looks like we're in the middle of the winter time. So what better way to deal with the winter time than to go see boats and RVs. So we're on our way to McCormick Place to the boat, RV, and sail show, the boat show. Here we go. McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois is huge. It is the nation's largest convention center, coming in at 2.6 million square feet. 1.2 million of those are all on the same level. And then in addition to that, we got 173 meeting rooms, 4 ballrooms, assembly seating for up to 18,000 people. Area Crown Theater seats over 4,200. 3 more theaters that come in with 300 seats each. The ceiling heights are up to 50 feet tall and 6,000 parking spaces. This place is crazy big. Crazy. Look at this place. All right, let's go down to the main floor and check this place out. Alright, so we're in the area where you can buy stuff. It's just crazy over there. You can buy like camping gear and that sort of stuff. And it's just mobbed over here. I need to get out of here. I want to find something that's a little bit more open. Alright, let's go this way. Alright, so a little more room over here. Alright, I want to start off with the RVs first. We'll go check out the boats second. We got a sidetrack with all these cool board trucks over here. So I guess when you get a trailer, I guess you need something to pull it. So let's go check out these trucks. How much horsepower did that guy just say?
It's a good size. Wow, you can fit.
Yeah, I could stand up in here. Oh, look, I can get up the vent. Get my head up in here.
Ah, what is this? Oh, what's that? Is that a washroom? Open the door.
Excuse me.
It is.
Little bathroom.
Yeah,
Little shower. The size of my first apartment.
Yeah, it's like your apartment. Cozy.
This little sink, oven, microwave.
Oven?
Let me in. Oh, push if I could read. Make sure no one's in there.
I don't think you can flush. I'm hoping nobody's in there.
There's a lot of room in here.
Alright, get out. We just bought it. Oh, no, this is our favorite one.
one though. Yeah, that's our favorite one. I like that. Well, we just started looking, but I was like, that one. Yeah.
This one's so roomy here.
Two of them. So let's get in a bidding war. That way we get them down.
Yeah.
And then we'll all go camping.
There we go. I like it.
It'll be fun. I smell weed.
It's not me, but no.
Oh, wow.
See, you could fit someone in there.
Oh my
It did smell
god.
like pot, but I think it's actually one of the finishes.
Yeah, it's a finish.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
As I walked in there, it's like, oh, this must be the party spot, but I think it's the door.
I like it. How much?
See if I can stand up in it.
Yeah, I don't think there's a bathroom, sweetie.
Oh yeah, no bathroom.
This is just for sleeping.
Sink.
Air conditioner and sleeping. That's it.
Stand up in it.
Yeah.
It's got a sink.
Oh, does this go flat? Oh, this goes flat and this is how you pop it up. That's cool.
I'm out.
I'm out. Can't breathe.
Let's check this one out.
That one I can probably breathe. Just for sleeping.
Hey there. Bunk bed action. Nice fridge.
This is adorable.
Spacious bathroom, I'm surprised. Nice view.
I want this next time, so.
Hello?
Climb up in there, see me and
They're gonna call through to the other side. These outdoor sink options are pretty cool. Check this out. Unlock. Push it back in. Back out. Barbecue grill. Super cool. Front end on this one's pretty cool looking.
Get that heck out of here.
Blue oval. Look at that. Ford. Little TV up there. Nice overhead compartments. Can stay up.
Hey, Don.
Me. TV in the bedroom. More storage. Nice.
Wait, what?
Tiny little shower. crazy. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Jeez, look at the size of this thing.
Thanks for watching part 1. Be sure to like, subscribe, and be on the lookout for part 2 of the Chicago Boat, RV, and Sail Show. Let's go for a skate.
Boat show.